Want longer, thicker hair fast? Here's a powerful natural remedy using just one surprising ingredient, bell pepper. In this video, I'll show you a simple yet effective DIY recipe that helps stop hair loss and boosts growth, all with ingredients you already have at home. Let's begin. Grab a fresh bell pepper and wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Combining green bell pepper with olive oil nourishes the roots and hair follicles, helping stimulate healthy hair growth in no time. Now, grate the bell pepper finely using a grater. Bell pepper helps protect your scalp from conditions that slow down growth and affect hair density and volume. Next, add a small cup of olive oil to the grated pepper. Make sure to use extra virgin olive oil without any added salt. It's the purest and most effective. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which is essential for reducing hair loss and strengthening strands. Place the mixture in a bowl of hot water and let it sit for 15 minutes to gently warm the oil. Warming helps release the nutrients in the oil, like magnesium, zinc, sulfur, calcium, and vitamin B, all vital for hair health. Once done, pour the mixture into a clean, airtight glass bottle for storage. Bell pepper is also great for reducing hair breakage, thanks to its powerful vitamin content. It's especially rich in vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption in hair cells, promoting stronger, thicker strands. Now seal the bottle and place it in a dark, cool place. Let the ingredients ferment for a full week. After 1 week, filter the mixture to separate the infused oil. Transfer your bell pepper oil into a fresh bottle. It's now ready for daily or weekly use. Here's how to apply it to your hair for the best results. Gently massage the oil into your scalp for 5 minutes to boost circulation and absorption. Leave the oil on your hair for 2 hours, wrapping it with plastic to retain warmth. Afterward, wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo and lukewarm water. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week for visible improvements in hair thickness and strength. Tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? I love hearing from all of you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.